guys, welcome back to another cook with me video. On today's video we are going to be cooking a popular meal in the Philippines called pancit. You guys, this meal is super delicious, super colorful, pretty, and I just love the meal. I work with a lot of Filipinos, and on our break time they bring their supper or their lunch, and I just look into it. I'm like, oh damn, this smells good and it looks pretty, guys. We got a lady who also make them pre-ordered, so you order from her and then she brings them, and then she brings a tray and then you pay for it. So I always like to order them, but the problem is as soon as I start eating it, I'll be like, okay, I'll take the rest home and give to the family, the kids. Before you know it, I end up finishing that meal at the end of my shift. That's how good this meal is, guys. So yes, I took it upon myself. I figured how to make this meal. You guys, I've been making this meal for a couple of months now, and my kids and I, we just love it, and that's what we're having for supper. So I want to take you guys along and show you guys how I prepare the meal. Hopefully you guys like it as well. Okay. That being said, if you're new to our channel, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Blessing. I'm a mother of 4 beautiful kids. We are Nigerians living in Canada. Okay, so please do subscribe and become part of my family. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. So for my vegetables, I'm going to be using 1.5 celery. I'm going to be using these onions, half of it, 2 garlic, and then I have 2 spring onion, and I have 2 carrots, and these bell peppers, and green beans. And also for pancit, you need some cabbage, but I don't have cabbage at home right now, so I'm just going to make do with what I have. These vegetables are all washed up. I'm just gonna start chopping them and cutting them into smaller pieces because my kids do not like vegetables, so I like to make them really tiny so they don't really notice them in their pancit. Okay, so let's start cutting the vegetables. So basically these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some beef, which I already chopped up in here. This is optional, guys. You can use shrimp, chicken, any meat you have, you can use them. Okay, so next is our chopped up vegetable that are in here, and then we also have some onion, some garlic, some spring onions. And then for our spices today, I have in here some black pepper, some chicken bouillon, some curry, and I have here some soy sauce and some olive oil. So let's start cooking. So now we are going to start making the noodles. I'm going to be using this bean thread noodles. I'll put it in this hot water and let it sit and soak for at least 5 to 6 minutes. And I'll just pour the noodles in here, and our pancit is already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, to my old and returning subscribers, you guys already know I love you guys. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for always watching our video, and we'll see you on our next one. Bye bye.